Yes, scientifically speaking, yoga has been shown to have numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. There is a growing body of scientific research that supports the positive effects of yoga on various aspects of well-being. Here are some of the scientifically supported benefits of yoga. Physical fitness. Yoga can improve flexibility, strength, balance, and endurance. Regular practice of yoga poses, asanas, can lead to increased muscle tone, improved posture, and enhanced overall physical fitness. Stress reduction. Yoga is known for its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It has been shown to lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol and activate the body's relaxation response, leading to a calmer state of mind. Mental well-being. Yoga has positive effects on mental health by reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, and psychological distress. It can enhance mood, promote self-awareness, and improve overall psychological well-being. Improved cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that yoga can lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and improve cardiovascular health. Regular practice may contribute to a healthier heart and a lower risk of heart disease. Pain management. Yoga has been found to be beneficial in managing chronic pain conditions such as back pain, arthritis, and migraines. It can help improve pain tolerance, increase body awareness, and promote relaxation, leading to reduced pain levels. Better sleep. Regular yoga practice has been associated with improved sleep quality and duration. It can help individuals who struggle with insomnia or have difficulty falling asleep, promoting a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Enhanced mindfulness and focus. Yoga incorporates mindfulness techniques such as focused breathing and meditation, which can improve attention span, concentration, and overall cognitive function. It may also help reduce distractibility and enhance mental clarity. It's important to note that individual experiences with yoga may vary, and the benefits may differ for each person. Additionally, yoga should be practiced under proper guidance and with respect for one's physical limitations to avoid injury.